Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and this is Dale. Let me be your next real estate agent. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang status ng S-Residences ngayong April. Tower 1, Tower 2, and Tower 3.
Since March 15, 2020, S-Residences has stopped their operation and construction. The Smdc are still waiting for the announcement of the government before they can continue.
Then 5 reasons why S Residences is a great condo investment. 1. Prime location.
A strategic location indeed, S Residences Mall of Asia complex boasts to its future residents a life undiscovered where everything they need is within reach.
2. Great amenities, building facilities.
Amenities. Multiple swimming pools, lush gardens, jogging path, grand lobbies, function rooms, lounge areas, children's play area. Building facilities and services. Grand lobbies. 24-hour security. Automatic fire detection and alarm system. Standby generator set for common areas and select residential outlets. Sufficient fire exits. Centralized cistern tank. Sewage treatment plant.
Dynamic neighborhood. Why?
S Residences is primarily located in SM Mall of Asia complex. A place where everything is just within reach, from leisure, transportation, shopping and dining, institutions, sanatoriums, attractions and many more. Solaire, Okada, City of Dreams, W Mall, Scape, Double Dragon, Eastfield Center, White Tower.
4. Trusted developer.
SMDC is the biggest residential real estate developer in the Philippines. It is part of the SM Group, one of the country's largest multi-corporations that holds the most established companies in multiple industries, such as retail, finance, and real estate.
Number 5. Rentals and resale.
For this one, the client na short to, we already got like 20, and we still need 32, 33 more.
So, yun yung 5 reasons why S Residences is a great investment. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel.
SMDC.
I took a risk and invested in SM Mall of Asia because I wanted to create something that could contribute to Philippine tourism growth.